Hey, what is going on, guys? So today I am out on my new rain board and I just dialed in the truck, so I'm going to go skate the pump track on my new rain board. It's a Speed Demons deck with some Kryptonic struts and wheels, and then some Reds bearings I just had lying around my house. So yeah, I'm going to go skate the pump track, and I heard it was supposed to rain today, so that's why I'm on the rain board, and a lot of the pavement's still wet from snow and whatnot. And other than that, at the pump track, there's some snow over here, so may kick that snow up on the pump track. I don't know yet, but I guess we'll see what all this pump track brings to us. So other than that, okay, so that is all for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys here at Ninja Duck 2.0 on Sundays, and then Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and no, I'll think of the schedule later. But and then don't forget to go over to Ninja Duck and see you every other day, starting Mondays there. And yeah, so see you every other day on Ninja Duck main channel starting Mondays, and then here on Sundays.